For millennia, scientists and philosophers have asked what makes up reality. But just in the last few years, a concept previously limited to science fiction has gained serious traction: the simulation hypothesis. The idea that our universe is actually a very complex virtual simulation created by advanced civilization. If that were the case, then everything we see, from the huge universe to our own minds, is just a part of a man-made thing, subject to rules created by some unseen author. The concept gained popularity from philosopher Bostrom in 2003, when he suggested a thought experiment that if civilizations do develop to the point of being able to create highly realistic simulations of conscious beings, then it's more likely statistically that we're within one of those simulations and not the one actual physical reality. His rationale is probabilistic. If infinite simulated universes, but a solitary base universe, then the probability overwhelmingly favors us living in a simulation. Some of the new findings in physics and computer science seem to support this thesis. The nature of the universe, for instance, seems to work in much the same way as a computational system. Quantum mechanics has shown that particles exist in an uncertain state before they are observed, similar to how things in video games only materialize when a player is viewing them. Might this be proof that our reality operates like a program, conserving energy by only rendering what's needed? Even the boundaries of physics imply an underlying code to reality. Physicists in 2012 discovered structures that are akin to digital constraints on data, such as the pixels in a picture. We may one day find evidence for the resolution of our simulation if we are, in fact, in one, just as video games have graphics limits. Physics laws may then be the sim's programmed instructions to generate an orderly, real-looking world that we can participate in. Tech billionaire Elon Musk is among the most outspoken advocates of the simulation theory. According to him, as virtual reality and artificial intelligence advance, we are moving towards a time when indistinguishable virtual worlds would be possible. If humans would one day manage to create conscious beings within simulations, then logically, a superior civilization has done the same beforehand. But if we're simulated, then who or what simulated us? Some think that it might be an advanced post-human society that's simulating ancestor civilizations for their own research purposes. Others believe that our universe is an immense experiment, one possibly conducted by an artificial superintelligence beyond our understanding. Even some theories go as far as to say that the simulators are aliens from a higher dimensional realm, exploiting our world as some kind of testing ground for reasons we cannot yet conceive. If the simulation hypothesis, then what would it say about free will? Are we all just programs executed on a powerful system, forced to operate by rules we could never escape? Or do we possess the potential to transcend, to make something of the underlying simulation? According to some physicists, if one could recognize the glitches or outliers in reality, the things that wouldn't be there according to observed physics, one should be able to control the simulation, warp the rules of the universe as they experience it. Even with the strong arguments, there is no tangible evidence that we exist in a simulation. Scientists keep looking for evidence, and some even suggest experiments to identify artificial bounds in physics. But even if we never do get a clear answer, the concept compels us to reconsider our perception of reality. If our world is in fact a simulation, then our reality is simply an illusion. Certainly an illusion that is full of interesting questions concerning the nature of consciousness, the design of existence, and what happens beyond the end of our own program world.